When buying a grill guard, the latch system is often overlooked. Many latches are difficult to access and are prone to jamming. We set out to solve the problem because no latch on the market met our standards. The design concept began with the universally trusted vice grip system and evolved into an advanced mechanism produced in-house with patent pending. Our engineers went above and beyond to design a product that lets you know when it's safely closed by the sound and feel. Once locked in place, the latch provides a compressed grip that significantly reduces vibration. No matter how rough the road is, you can drive with confidence knowing the grip latch is secured by a secondary safety system that will prevent unexpected openings. We know that peace of mind is vital for drivers and fleet managers. That's why the grip latch was designed to be uncomplicated and improve the long-term durability of your truck. It's also why every grip latch comes with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. By appealing to innovation and quality, Hurd makes products that help people get the most out of their trucks. The grip latch is just another example of how Hurd is driving results.